Nibbles, the outdoor cat, is plotting an attack for water. Something more. A ghost. Something in the water. Due to their hunting instincts, there is something in her water. Pebbles, the other cat, is going in a bag. Dolly the dog is going somewhere. Pebbles is looking all ways to get in that bag. This is one of my nature resource videos today. We're watching cats. Uh-oh. I think Pebbles is choking. Is she okay? Or is she not okay? And I also got a new iPad case. Here comes Hunter Nibbles. She's attacking Pebbles. You could see her running to try escaping from her sister. And now she's playing with a battery. She's plotting for her next attack. There goes the battery. Here's Nibbles, the lovely cat. Dolly's over there having some issues. Oh, there goes Pebbles. She gets the battery next. Nibbles is plotting. There she goes. Battery! Battery! Battery. Battery goes over there. Pebbles is coming. She's approaching the battery. Pebbles doesn't even play with the flipping battery. Nibbles is plotting for the battery. You can see her tail rapidly move. She's looking at something. She just might be planning to attack her next attack. Her battery! These bats are in the way, so let's just have some time over them. Sling. There we go. Nibbles. The battery unfortunately went under the big blue top, but that doesn't stop her. She's gonna try grabbing the battery. Meanwhile, Pebbles over here, plotting for attack. Where did he go? Into the kitchen. My dress. The cat's over there. Head over. Pebbles, plotting. Nibbles, battery. Plotting. I have a feeling she's plotting. Nibbles using her big brain. Pebbles over here. Attack! Attack! Nibbles. Nibbles is in the bag. Cat is about to be out the bag. Cat is out the bag. The cat's in the bag! Nibbles is suffocating his sister. This video is about 4 minutes. About to be. She's trying to kill his sister right now. Pebbles is like, stop it now. As you can see, they are attacking each other. The nature documentaries get crazier by the second. Nibbles is over here. Pebbles is right there in the target bag. And then they're trying to attack. Pebbles gets out. Nibbles is like, what's going on? Pebbles is in the bag. Not a smart idea for a cat like her. Nature documentaries get crazy. They're trying to do a sneak attack. Nibbles gives up. She's on the treadmill. No way, I don't think she's getting there. Pebbles doesn't know that she's gone. And I believe she's going to do a sneak attack. Nibbles, sneak attack her! Do it. Do it. Do it. Just kidding, I'm not threatening her. Pebbles is, no offense, but a Dumbo. Oh, there we go. She's figuring things out. She's plotting. She wins! Pebbles goes to undress something else. She goes back in her bag. Never mind. She ran. The recording quality is a little better. Instead of seeing the blue thing, you don't see anything because they got a new case. Nibbles away. Mad. As you can see. Really mad, actually. Unless she's plotting. Pebbles over there. Also mad. Or plotting. Don't know. Never mind. Look at Nibbles. Pebbles is over there doing her own thing. The Kitty Cat Nature documentary just gets crazier by the second. We might end at 8 minutes. In 1 minute, we might end the nature documentary. I hope so not. They're fighting. Okay, 10 minutes for ending the nature documentary. Pebbles isn't thinking her best. As you can see, Nibbles is over there. Pebbles is in the bag like always. Pebbles thinks Nibbles is by her. They're going to attack. We're ending this at 10 minutes. Enjoy a 10-minute video of kitty cats. Pebbles is the one in the bag, Nibbles is the one outside the bag. It's an attack. Oh no, they're breaking the bag. Hey! I don't think you can break that. I said don't break that. Oh well. They're being a little funny. And I might be a little tired. Oh, finger. Lucky Pebbles. 1 minute left of the nature documentary. I hope you guys love 10 minutes of cats. Cause look at her. There's nothing in the bag, Pebbles. There's nothing that I know of. She's breaking through the bag. I don't want to end this now. It's about to be 10. Okay, whenever they stop. I really hope you guys love this nature documentary. Host Nazaya. Okay, 10 minutes and 40 seconds. Not 11 minutes. Says Nibbles is currently ripping the bag up. She's terrified. Okay, I hope you guys love this 12-minute documentary. It's 11 minutes. They get into the funny stuff. Once they stop, I'm stopping recording. I don't think Nibbles wants to play no more. That's the end of the nature. Never mind. It's no longer the end. I just know it. Okay, I think that's the end of the nature documentary. Hold on. Just gotta stay 10 more seconds. 10 more seconds. She thinks that there's a ghost. Hope you guys liked this 12-minute documentary. Goodbye.